Welcome and thank you for your time today. Let's talk about the one thing that brought us here, buying a home on the Costa del Sol and doing it right. I'm going to walk you through the whole journey, before, during, and after the purchase, so by the end, you'll know exactly how this works, what it costs, and how I can help. Let's get into it. First, who you're trusting. I'm Sarah. I've spent 20 years on this coast. I hold an MBA in real estate. I'm a new build specialist, and over the years I've built a network here that very few have. I've worked every side of this business, so I know how it really works, and I use that entirely for you. My job isn't to sell you a property, it's to find you the right one, and to be honest with you the whole way, even when honesty costs me the sale. Here's something most people don't realize. The Costa del Sol stretches 170 kilometers, from Nerja in the east all the way to Sotogrande in the west. It's all Costa del Sol, but the areas could not be more different. So before we look at a single property, let's find the right area for your life. Think of the coast in three parts. The east, from Malaga City out to Nerja and Torox. Quieter, less crowded, more traditional, more Spanish, more economical, less new build, and a bit further out. 20 to 50 minutes from the airport. If you want authentic and calm, this is it. The middle, Malaga City down to Calahonda. This is the lively, in-demand heart of the coast. Great infrastructure, public transport, international schools and hospitals, modern architecture, things to do everywhere. Closest to the airport, 10 to 30 minutes, busier, and a true buyer's market with good inventory. The west, Cabo Pino through Marbella, Puerto Banús, Estepona, Benahavis to Sotogrande. This is the creme de la creme. Very modern, very international, the most inventory and the best infrastructure, but quieter and greener than the middle with most of the golf courses and almost no high-rise. The highest prices on the coast and 30 to 60 minutes from the airport. Same coast, three very different lifestyles. Part of my job is matching you to the right one. Now, the good news. To buy a home in Spain, you only need two things. One, an NIE, your foreigner identification number. A lawyer can sort that for you, usually for around 200 euros. 2. A Spanish bank account. I usually work with Sabadell. They're very used to working with foreigners, and I know the director personally, which makes it simple. That's it. Two things, and I help you with both. Whether it's a new build or a resale, the process is basically the same. 4 steps. Step 1, the reservation. Step 2, due diligence. Your lawyer checks everything. Step 3, the private purchase contract. And step 4, the notary and delivery, where it becomes yours clean and clear, and I'm with you at every step. Now the question everyone asks, beyond the price, what does it cost? Let me give you the honest numbers. For a new build or off-plan, you buy directly from the developer. You pay 10% VAT, about 1% in legal fees, and roughly 1.5% to 2.5% for notary, stamp duty, and registry. All in, budget around 13.5% on top of the price. For a resale, you buy directly from the owner. Instead of VAT, you pay 7% transfer tax, the same 1% legal fees, and the same 1.5% to 2.5% for notary and registry. All in, budget around 10.5% on top of the price. So roughly 13.5% for new build, 10.5% for resale. Real money, we plan for it from day one. And there's a reason new builds cost a little more. You get serious protection, a 10-year structural guarantee, 3 years on plumbing, electrical and mechanical, 1 year on finishes, a bank guarantee on every payment you make, and your funds held in escrow until completion. With a resale, it's sold as seen. You take the property as it is, and you carry the risk after purchase. Though one nice protection there. If the seller pulls out, they owe you double your deposit back. And if you pull out, you lose your 10%. Different deals, different rules. I make sure you understand exactly which you're in. One more thing people forget, and it can cost you thousands. If you're British, North American, or anyone moving money into euros, never exchange currency through your bank. I work with the best currency specialists on the coast. Recently, a client saved between $6,000 and $7,000 on a transfer of just $150,000 to $180,000. That's real money back in your pocket, just for doing it the smart way. And it doesn't stop there. Lawyer, bank, currency, architects, interior designers, whatever you need, I connect you with the best, chosen for you. It's an all-in service. My job is simple: do everything I can to find you your dream home and make the whole thing easy. And the best part is, service is free of charge. For this to work, two things matter most. First, communication. If you're serious about buying, we have to talk openly and often. I need your honest feedback continuously. That's the only way we find the right home. Second, and this one really matters, the Costa del Sol is an open market. Every agent and agency has access to the exact same new developments and resale properties. So there is no advantage in working with 5 agents at once, only confusion. 5 salespeople chasing you, double bookings, repeating yourself over and over. The smart move is the opposite. Find one person who truly understands what you want, who you connect with, and who you trust, and work with them. Like any serious relationship, it works on commitment. I'm here for you. I'll give it everything to find your dream home, if you'll trust me and work with me exclusively. So that's the journey, before, during, and after. The areas, the costs, the process, and the way I work. If it feels like a fit, let's take the next step together. Whenever you're ready, I'm here.